Today, I want us to talk about something interesting that will save you from a lot of losses, more especially when you are trading V75. So we can see here with a beautiful chart. If you can see the chart, it was an initial upward move, and then all of a sudden the market seems like it's going down. There are some few mistakes that traders will do, and it costs them a lot. Let me just show you something. If you can see here, we have this interesting level around this area, which is a low. And if we extend it, we can see that it previously acted as some kind of a resistance all the way then. But let's pay attention into this area. What traders will do is that they will see that this area, it was tested previously. And even now, price seems to be struggling because you can see that price, it came on aggressively, and then now it seems like it's bouncing, going up, meaning it's slowing down. So this will tempt a lot of traders to say, okay, let me execute a buy, because obviously this is some kind of a key level, which is a very, very wrong approach, more especially because price have just come to this area from a very, very significant breakout. I just want you to pay attention. If you can observe here with this upward flow, which acted as some kind of an upward trend. So with the what's happening with this uptrend, I accidentally clicked this link down there, so I'm sorry about that. So we have this upward move, and if you can see this upward move, you can see that it immediately got broken all the way there. And this breakout, you need to know that this breakout, it means one thing. It means that now the sellers, they are stronger, and then the buyers, they might be getting weaker. So that's what it means. And more especially because if you can look at the candle that initiated the breakout, it's a very, very huge candle, which shows that this breakout came with huge momentum. And observing this wave which is going down, you can see that it is very, very flawless. It is a candle, it is a wave that is made of huge candles, which signify strength. So you as a trader being tempted to buy here is a very, very wrong practice, more especially because the sellers have just proved to you that they are willing to defeat the buyers by breaking their initial flow. So this flow of the buyers was broken, and this is a sign that, okay, now because of this breakout, the sellers, they are getting stronger. So you buying here, you are opposing the laws of momentum, the laws of strength. So these are things that you should make sure that you pay attention into before you execute a trade from a support or from a resistance. Firstly, look at where this touch came from, where these key level came from, because if you can see here, it came from buyers being weak. For the fact that prices around this area, it's a sign that, okay, buyers are now getting weaker. So you shouldn't assume that the buyers are gonna come here and push again and position you in a place where you make profit. No, it doesn't happen like that. So if the buyers have showed you that they are weak, then you shouldn't buy, or you shouldn't join their side. Instead, wait for the right time for you to execute a selling opportunity. So this structure right here, or this key level, it was now going, or it was now supposed to act as a level where you're gonna execute a trade from its breakout, meaning this level now you're supposed to use it as some kind of a territory, because it is indeed a territory, because that's where the seller's move was broken. For an example, I told you that here it was a resistance, and then the sellers pushed the price. So meaning all the way below this area, it was seller's territory until the buyers proved us that no, they are better than the sellers, and they gave us a breakout. And then now it means that all the way above this level, it is buyer's territory. So then that's why you were supposed to wait in this area until this level is broken. So you were not even supposed to be tempted to sell around here, although you're going to make a lot of money, but you were supposed to wait for you to enter when the trade or the position is ripe. So this was the right area where you're supposed to enter, where the market is now broken, not just broken, but also giving you a high which is obviously lower than that previous one, and this one is obviously lower than that one all the way then. So I hope this is making sense. So make sure that before you execute a trade in a level, know where that level comes from, and know the territories, know which side is getting weaker and know which side is getting stronger. I'm just gonna make it short and leave it here. Thank you guys for watching.